Kolkata Metro is located in West Bengal in India. Kolkata Metro is the 9th largest metro in India. Currently, Kolkata Metro is 59.38 kilometers long and it consists of 50 stations. Kolkata Metro has fully operational one line and 3 partial operation lines and 2 under construction lines. So let's see the individual lines one by one. Blue line starts from Dakshineshwar and ends in Kavi Subhash. Blue line is 32.13 kilometers long and it has 26 stations. And this blue line is fully operational. Following are the stations which comes under blue line. Dakshineshwar, Baranagar. These stations were opened on 22nd Feb 2021. Nawapara. This station was opened on 10th July 2013. Dom Dom, Bilgachia. These stations were opened on 12th November 1984. Sham Bazar, Shobha Bazar Shutanuti, Girish Park. These stations were opened on 15th February 1995. Mahatma Gandhi Road. This station was opened on 27th September 1995. Central, Chandni Chowk. These stations were opened on 15th February 1995. Esplanade, Park Street, Maidan, Rabindra Sadan, Netaji Bhavan. These stations were opened on 24th October 1984. Jatin Das Park, Kali Ghat, Rabindra Sarobar, Mahanayak Uttam Kumar. These stations were opened on 29th April 1986. Netaji, Master Da Surya Sen, Gitanjali, Kavi Nazrul. These stations were opened on 22nd August 2009. Shahid Khudiram, Kavi Subhash. These stations were opened on 7th October 2010. In blue line, there are 5 interchange stations. Baranagar, here passengers can interchange with pink line which runs from Baranagar to Mangal Pandey. Nawapara, here passengers can interchange with yellow line which runs from Nawapara to Parasat. Esplanade, here passengers can interchange with purple line and green line. Purple line which runs from Esplanade to Diamond Park. Green line which runs from Aura Maidan to Tegoria. Park Street, here passengers can interchange with purple line which runs from Esplanade to Diamond Park. Kavi Subhash, here passengers can interchange with orange line which runs from Jai Hind Kolkata Airport to Kavi Subhash. Now let's see partially opened green, purple and orange lines. Kolkata Metro Green Line starts from Howrah Maidan and ends in Tegoria. Green Line is 22 kilometers long and it has 17 stations. Under this, 12 stations are operational, 5 stations are planned, and this Green Line is partially operational. Following are the stations which comes under Green Line. Tegoria, Raghunathpur, Baghiati, Domdom Park, Kistapur. These are the future proposed stations. Salt Lake Sector 5, Karunamayi, Central Park, City Center, Bengal Chemical, Salt Lake Stadium. These stations were opened on 14th Feb 2020. Phoolbagan, this station was opened on 4th October 2020. Sealdah, this station was opened on 11th July 2022. Esplanade, Mahakaran, Howrah Maidan. These stations were opened on 6th March 2024.
In Green Line, there is one interchange station, Esplanade. Here, passengers can interchange with purple and blue line. Purple line which runs from Esplanade to Diamond Park. Blue line which runs from Dakshineshwar to Kavi Subhash.
Kolkata Metro Purple Line starts from Esplanade and ends in Diamond Park. Purple Line is 16.67 kilometers long. It has 12 stations. 7 stations are operational, 5 stations are under construction. And this Purple Line is partially operational. Following are the stations which comes under Purple Line. Diamond Park, IIM Calcutta. These stations are the future proposed stations. Joka, Takurpukur, Shakir Bazar, Behla Chaurasta, Behla Bazar, Tara Tala, Majirat. These are the operational stations. Mominpur, Kidirpur, Victoria, Park Street, Esplanade. These are the under construction stations. In Purple Line, there are 2 interchange stations, Esplanade. Here passengers can interchange with Blue and Green line. Blue line which runs from Dakshineshwar to Kavi Subhash. Green line which runs from Howrah Maidan to Tegoria. Park Street. Here passengers can interchange with Blue line which runs from Dakshineshwar to Kavi Subhash.
Kolkata Metro Orange Line starts from Jai Hind, Kolkata Airport and ends in Kavi Subhash. Orange Line is 29.87 kilometers long. It has 24 stations. 5 stations are operational, 19 stations are under construction, and this Orange Line is partially operational.
Following are the stations which comes under Orange Line. Jai Hind, Kolkata Airport, VIP Road, Chinar Park, City Centre 2, Mangaldeep, Eco Park, Mother's Wax Museum, Siksha Tirtha, Biswa Bangla Convention Centre, Swapnabor, Nazrul Tirtha, Nabadi Ganta, IT Centre, Nalban, Gaur Kishore Ghosh, Chingri Gatta, Belegatta, Varun Sen Gupta, Science City, Ritvik Gatak, Bantala Road, VIP Bazaar. These are the under construction stations. Hemanta Mukhopadhyay, Ruby Hospital, Kavi Sukant, Kalikapur, Jyotirindra Nandi, Mukundpur, Satyajit Roy, Kavi Subhash. These stations were opened on 6th March 2024. In Orange Line, there are 2 interchange stations. Jai Hind, Kolkata Airport. Here, passengers can interchange with Yellow Line which runs from Noapara to Basrat. Kavi Subhash. Here, passengers can interchange with Blue Line which runs from Dakshineshwar to Kavi Subhash. Yellow Line is an under construction line. Kolkata Metro Yellow Line starts from Noapara and ends in Barasat. Yellow Line is 18.13 kilometers long. It has 10 stations. Following are the stations which comes under Yellow Line. Noapara, Dumdum Cantonment, Jessore Road, Jai Hind, Birati, Michael Nagar, New Barakpur, Madhyam Gram, Udaipur, Barasat. In Yellow Line, there are 2 interchange stations. Noapara. Here, passengers can interchange with Blue Line which runs from Dakshineshwar to Kavi Subhash. Jai Hind, Kolkata Airport. Here, passengers can interchange with Orange Line which runs from Jai Hind, Kolkata Airport to Kavi Subhash. Pink Line is planned line. Kolkata Metro Pink Line starts from Baranagar and ends in Mangal Pandey. Pink Line is 12.5 kilometers long. It has 11 stations. Following are the stations which comes under Pink Line. Baranagar, Krishna Kali, Acharya Prafulla Chandra, Gandhi Ashram, Sarat Chandra, Subhash Nagar, Rishi Bankim, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Shah Nawaz Khan, Talakpukur, Mangal Pandey. In Pink Line, there is 1 interchange station, Baranagar. Here, passengers can interchange with Blue Line which runs from Dakshineshwar to Kavi Subhash. So these are the brief information about Kolkata Metro. In future videos, we will explain each metro lines individually. If you like this video, please do like and share, subscribe to our channel.